friends, here on this video it might be problem here your keyboard it's not showing. Okay, so you are facing this keyboard problem on your mobile phone and you want to fix it. So before we fix it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, here at first you have to move on setting. Okay, oh sorry, you have to move on file, Google file. Okay, after you tap on Google file, here you are going to find this icon apps. So you have to click on apps. Then from here you are going to find under the app setting, but you have to tap on system apps. Okay, then from here you have to scroll down to keyboard, gboard, any of them. Okay, these settings you have to search from here. So I have found the gboard. It may be there is many different types of keyboards, example like Mi keyboard or Mi keyboard or Samsung keyboard. Okay, that's why you have to find any of the keyboards. Okay, then after that, if you found it, then here just tap on this three dot, and here you have to click on app information. Then from here you have to tap on storage and usage and just clear the data. After clear data, your keyboard will work smoothly and it will show okay. So friends, if you don't find this gboard, then I'm using gboard, that's why it shows gboard. But if you are not using gboard, you are using another keyboard, then you can search from here another keyboards also. After that you can just reset it, okay, or clear this storage. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.